everyone. Good morning. I have some immigration updates for you all today in regards to USCIS government filing fees. If you didn't know, anytime that you submit an application to USCIS, unless it's asylum, the general rule is you must submit government filing fees. Government filing fees are associated with various different forms and have various different rules. And it's how USCIS pays for their officers to pave their parking lots. USCIS is a fee-based department, so they charge government filing fees along with your applications to help pay for them to be able to process your applications. So some immigration news I have for you today is on April 1st, there is going to be a significant fee change to USCIS government filing fees. And I'm going to break that down for you today on this live. So there's good news and then there's bad news. I'm going to start with the good news. The good news is for certain applications, when you're applying for your green card, you no longer have to pay for the government filing fees. So right now, if you're applying for your green card for certain applications, the government filing fees are going to be over $1,000, usually around $1,225. But for certain humanitarian cases, you will not have to pay any government filing fee associated with applying for your green card. And I'm going to name a couple for you. Special Immigrant Juvenile Status, Violence Against Women's Act or VAWA, T visa, U visa, asylum, refugee, NACARA, and an I-751 based off of abuse. So with those applications, these are humanitarian relief, meaning these are for people that have been victims of domestic violence, people that are fleeing their country applying for asylum, people that have been victims of human trafficking, victims of crimes in the United States, or minor children that were abused, abandoned, or neglected. They will not have to pay any government filing fees when applying for their green card starting April 1st. So if you are applying for your green card under VAWA, SIJS, U visa, T visa, asylee, NACARA, or I-751, lifting of your conditions based off of abuse, then wait till April 1st. Wait till April 1st to file your green card application because you will then not have to pay any government filing fees. So that's good news. Now for the bad news. The bad news is with certain cases, the government filing fee is going to go up. And for the majority of you, you're gonna want to apply for your green card as soon as possible because it takes time. If you hire an attorney, we need to get forms filled out, supporting evidence, put a package together. It's gonna take us time. So if you fall into this next category, you need to get in contact with us. Give us a call. We do free 30-minute case evaluations, and you should really hire us this week. There's not exaggeration because we need the time in order to put your application together to avoid that fee and file before April 1st. Now, who is that? Pretty much anyone applying for a work authorization that's not within one of those humanitarian relief categories that I just mentioned. So if you're renewing your work authorization, the government filing fees are going up. If you are applying to get your green card through your spouse, generally speaking, the government filing fees are going to go up. You used to not have to pay for work authorization or for a travel document when you filed for your green card through your spouse. As long as you put all the forms together, you got a waiver on those two forms. Now you're going to have to pay the government filing fees on 2 extra forms to get your work authorization and to be able to travel pending your green card. So I'm going to say it again. If you are married to a US citizen and you are in the United States and you need to file for your green card, do so now. It will save you money. Do so now. Get in contact with us now because April 1st, you're going to have higher government filing fees, higher USCIS filing fees if you're doing a green card application for your spouse. All right, so get that application in as soon as possible. It does take time to work with an attorney. N400, naturalization. If you are applying for citizenship, unless you fall below the poverty guidelines, you're going to have to pay a higher government filing fee. If you make below the poverty guidelines and you're not sure what that means, give us a call. We can figure it out for you. Then wait till April 1st because your fees will be less. They will be half the price. But everyone else, if you're making above the poverty guidelines, you want to apply for citizenship, do so now before April 1st. There will be a significant fee hike. So in short, if you have humanitarian relief, wait till April 1st to file your application so you can get fee waivers. Everyone else, specifically family-based green card application cases, you should be applying now. You should be working with an attorney now. If not, you should be calling an attorney so you can work with them now and get your application filed. Also, there's many more other fee updates, so we do recommend that you speak to an attorney as soon as possible to figure out how that may affect you. For example, premium processing with employment-based cases, it's going to go up. So if you're doing any kind of employment-based case and you want to do premium processing, you need to get that application in ASAP. Also, many forms are going to be changed. For those who file their own applications, you're going to need to check this out and you need to read the new instructions to figure out how to fill out these new forms. So we are the experts. We do this all day, every day. This is actually going to be my 10th year as an immigration attorney. So give us a call to Gabby Immigration Law. You can send us a message and we'll send you a link so you can go ahead and schedule that free case evaluation. We would love to hear from you today so we can tell you wait till April and we can sign up, give you a contract, give you a time post-April. Or if we need to do it now, we should definitely be talking now so we can get it done. All right, so that is my immigration update on the USCIS fee hike starting April 1st. Thank you all for joining.